Are you a forex trader, crypto or stock or any financial market? This strategy is going to be your most powerful weapon in the market, and you are going to be a profitable trader, but if you follow the rules. Welcome to the Trading Focus once again. Hope everyone is doing good. In today's video, we are going to teach you and show you how can you trade taking the sell entries from the areas which are profitable, where you can become a professional trader. That sounds amazing, guys. Subscribe on the channel, like the video, leave the comment below, and we see you soon in a minute on today's video. Okay, welcome back again. So let's start with the rules. What are we looking at by using this strategy? Okay, so we have the high, and also let's say we have the low. So now we are starting from the higher time frame to analyze the market, so that we are moving to the lower time frame. You can enter from the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame, whatever the time frame you need to be taking an entry from, no problem. What you have to do first, you have to make sure that you start from the daily time frame. So now I have the market that will be moving up from the low, which means we are in the buy position. So when we approach a resistance, then we reject from resistance. That is an indication of reversal. So we move down. Okay, it's usual. Downside to the upside. Here, what I'm looking at is that from the daily time frame, once we rejected from this area, in this color, I'm gonna be using this. Okay, so we rejected from this area once. The next time when the market is moving up, I will be ready to be selling from this zone. That is the first thing you have to look at. You have rejected once from this area. When the market is moving up again, approaching this area, I will be ready to be selling from that area again. I can enter from the 4-hour time frame or 1-hour time frame or even 30-minute time frame. I will tell you how you can be careful with entering from that area. Okay, so now that is the first. Secondly, I will take a look and see if the market has been rejected from this area multiple times. Okay, if we get a rejection from that area multiple times, so the next time when the market moves back, I will be ready also to be entering from here by taking a sell from there, anticipating the market to move in the downside or to go for bearish. So that is the second way to be entering from this area. So remember, if I get a rejection once or multiple times, I will move to the lower time frame, waiting from this zone to be selling from there. It doesn't matter any time frame that you are using. When we move on the chart, I'm going to show you everything about entering from that area, what you have to look at. Okay, I will show you how the price will be moving, what to look at from the lower time frame. Where are we going to be entering based on the candlesticks formation or any kind of market structure to enter for sale? Okay, so now when I move to the lower time frame, we are going to be selling from that area. Where are we going to be setting a stop loss? The stop loss will be above the previous high from this area. I will be entered from that zone, and my stop loss will be smaller than entering in the middle of the heart of the trend. So which means that I will be ready to be taking a sell from this area, anticipating the market to be moving down. If we break above this area, that means that we are no longer anticipating the market to change the direction to the downside, or we are not expecting a reversal to the downside. I will also be targeting the areas where the market has been moved from, where the market has been bought from. Been buying from this area, we are moving up, okay, making higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so we are ready to be taking a sell from this zone if the market starts rejecting from there. So I entered from this area, the market started moving down. So the areas I'm going to be targeting, those are the area, the stronger area where we bought from. I will be entering from this area, anticipating at least the market to be targeting this area. So that's where I will be targeting from. Now, let's move to the chart and see how can we enter by using that strategy. So as I told you, this strategy is very easy, but it's not easy if you don't wait and be patient from those areas that I've been talking about. Okay, so you have to respect the rules. And also, before we move to the chart, this is another way to be looking for when we are in the trend continuation or when we are in the reversal from the higher time frame, from a daily time frame. Okay, example, let's say we have the market that is moving down. Okay, so we are moving down. Then when we reverse from downside to upside, that is a bullish reversal, then we have to look from the areas where we can reject from, then has the possibility of reversing to the downside. Okay, now this area is an imbalance area to be selling from. Remember, we are in the daily time frame. So if we left this area imbalance, we are looking for the price to make a deep pullback from the higher time frame. I'm talking daily time frame. When we approach this area, we are looking for sell from this area again to expect the market to move down. From the lower time frame will be a reversal. From the higher time frame will be a bearish continuation. Now, when we got this area, we have to keep it as an opportunity to sell from. Okay, so now let's move to the chart and see how can we use this strategy. Okay, here we have silver that is moving up, but we have this area, supply area. So this area is what is going to be our key to enter for sale. Okay, so this area is going to be an opportunity for us to be looking for any rejection or any kind of movement approaching this area. We are going to be looking for sale. We rejected before from this area. We are now trying also to be rejecting from there. I'm going to be moving to the lower time frame and I will be entering from there. For just looking for any rejection of the candlestick, I will be entering from there. So I'm not going to be waiting for the chart pattern or reversal chart pattern. I'm looking for the stronger weapon that I have is this area, which is going to be making the market to change the direction to the downside. Okay, now this is H4. So we are moving up, but remember this zone is very stronger. If we enter from this area, like for example, we take a sell from this area, the stop loss will be above. But before that, let's see the candlestick formation. Okay, any kind of higher low, I'm gonna be looking for sell. Even you can use sell limit from this area and then you set the stop loss above the zone. Now let's see the candlestick reaction from this area so that we can enter from there. Moving down a little bit, I'm gonna be entering from this area. My stop loss will be above this area. So now I'm confident because of that zone. That's why taking a short, my stop loss is above this area. So my TP is from the down areas. Let me go with TP1, TP2, and TP3. Continue to my target. Okay, I'll be starting taking a TP from this area. This one will be TP1, TP2, TP3, TP4, and this one will be my target. This is our last buying volume from this area. That's why I'm gonna be looking for the target. So this is my target. As long as the market will be moving down and rejecting from the downside, touching from this area, I will also keep looking for sale. I will enter for sale no matter what, because this is my opportunity to take a trade. I don't want to risk by entering in the middle of the trend. So that's why this strategy is better, because your stop loss will be from the stronger area, from the stronger zone. If we break above this area, no problem, we'll be losing money, but less than entering the middle of the market. And even if we break above from this area, we are no longer looking for another opportunity to sell, because if we break above this area, we are going to be starting looking for bullish continuation. Okay, so now any kind of moving down and making a high from this area, I will take a sell. Let's see what the market is gonna give us from this area. Stop loss from here. Let's see what happened. We are moving down, down, up, down. I'm gonna be entering for sale again from this area. Any kind of moving up and down, I'm gonna be entering for sale. I know where my stop loss will be set from this area. Okay, sell. Let's see what happened. Still moving down, up. We are making a lower low. If we make any lower high, we are going to be looking also for sell. Okay, let's see what happened. Rejection, lower high. Okay, so I can even set my sell limit from this area. Okay, from this area, at least from here where I entered from. Remember, we are now in 4-hour time frame. That's where we are entering from. You can move even in the 1-hour time frame so that you can enter also from there. Okay, it has been activated now. Let's see what happened. So aggressive moving up. Okay, if we get another high, we'll be entering also for sale, making a lower low. Okay, this is also an entry. As long as we touch from this zone, I will be entering for sell. Stop loss is above this area. Look at my stop loss compared to the target. Remember, as I said, as long as you have this area, this zone from the daily time frame, you have an opportunity for the price to keep moving down, to keep rejecting from that area, to keep taking some profit. Even someone who is trading and close some amount will be closing all these, take profits from these areas. Any rejection from the higher time frame, from daily time frame, if you get that rejection from that, we are going to be safe. If you get any opportunity approaching your area, we are going to be taking that opportunity to enter for sale. And you enter for sale with a confidence that you are going to be hold your trade and take big profit from one zone to another. So now look at where we are now approaching from this area. These are all areas, lower highs, where you can lock your profit. Let's see if we can get to our target. If someone who will be looking for buy, will be waiting from this area. We are in the downtrend. We are still confident that the market will be getting to our TP from this area. So as long as we are not rejecting from the stronger area where we can buy from, we are not going to be looking for buy until we get from the areas where the market priced from moving for buy. Okay, so now as you can see, we go to our target. So that is how you have to trust your zone to be trading from there and make sure that you are from daily time frame. Okay guys, thank you so much for your time. Remember, backtest the strategy. If you backtest the strategy, that will give you a confidence to be entering in the market with no fear and become a professional trader, making money every trade that you take, and even you will know how to manage risk as long as you have a confidence. So thank you for your time. Until next time, take care and be safe.